Hi guys, welcome to Classic Physics Sudhir, simply by Sudhir. Today the most important topic which we are going to discuss is all about refraction. So firstly we'll be learning about what is meant by refraction. So what is meant by refraction? So when we are talking about light, this particular concept basically is from light. So light topic basically has got two important modules. The first one is all about reflection and the second one is all about refraction. So when we are talking about reflection and when we are talking about refraction, so reflection has got a different concept. So when the light is traveling from one medium to another medium, or when the light is traveling from one point to another point from the source, so as soon as it is meeting any kind of a mirror kind of an obstacle, the light, whatever light it has been incident, it is coming out in the back direction. So that can be explained as reflection. And when we are talking about reflection, there are two important concepts which we need to discuss about reflection. The laws of reflection. What are the laws of reflection? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie on the same plane. But when we are talking about this particular refraction, here the medium with which the light is traveling. So whether the light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium to denser medium. So here when we are talking about refraction, we need to discuss mostly about three important mediums. The first one is about solid, the second one is about liquid, and the third one is about gases. So here out of all this, the solid happened to be the denser medium and the liquid happened to be the less denser medium, and the gases are basically the rarer mediums which we need to discuss about. So here when we are talking about the refraction, whenever the light travels from one medium to another medium, so it either increases its speed or decreases its speed. So now let us talk about the concept of light when it is traveling in the vacuum. So here when the light is traveling in the vacuum, so it travels at a speed of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So when it is entering from the vacuum into the Earth's surface, its speed gradually decreases. Why it decreases? Because it is entering into a denser medium. So when it is entering into the denser medium, obviously the speed of light decreases. So just in the same way, so refraction here can be explained as if like when the light travels from one medium to another medium, its speed decreases. So here when we are talking about refraction, we need to learn something which is very important, which is called as refractive index. So what is meant by this refractive index? We'll be coming to know about refractive index, what is meant by absolute refractive index, what is meant by relative refractive index. Stay tuned, we'll be having much more concepts related to refraction in my next class. Thank you.